Wireless charging pads, what you need to know. Wireless charging pads, what you need to know. In today's increasingly connected and mobile world, a dead battery on our devices can be incredibly frustrating. Luckily, wireless charging technology has come to the rescue, providing us with a convenient and hassle-free way to power up our smartphones, smartwatches, and other gadgets. Wireless charging pads have become particularly popular, offering a clutter-free charging experience. In this article, we will explore the ins and outs of wireless charging pads, helping you understand what they are, how they work, and what to consider when purchasing one for your personal use. What is a wireless charging pad? A wireless charging pad is a device that allows you to charge your electronic devices without the need for cables or connectors. It uses a technology called electromagnetic induction to transfer energy from the charging pad to your device. This technology enables power to be transmitted wirelessly between two electromagnetic fields, one in the charging pad and the other in the device being charged. How does wireless charging work? Wireless charging works through the principles of electromagnetic induction. Inside the wireless charging pad, there is a coil of wire that is connected to an electrical current, generating an electromagnetic field. When you place your device on the charging pad, it also contains a coil of wire that is designed to receive energy from the electromagnetic field. As the two coils are brought close together, the electromagnetic field induces a current in the receiving coil, which is then converted into usable power to charge your device's battery. This process allows for a seamless and efficient charging experience. Advantages of wireless charging pads. 1. Convenience. One of the main advantages of wireless charging pads is their convenience. You no longer need to search for charging cables or struggle with plugging them into your devices. Simply place your device on the charging pad, and it will begin charging. 2. Clutter-free. With wireless charging pads, there are no messy cords to deal with. You can keep your workspace clean and organized, without the tangle of charging cables. 3. Universal compatibility. Wireless charging technology is becoming more standardized, leading to better compatibility across different devices. Many smartphones, smartwatches, and other gadgets now come with built-in wireless charging capability, making it easy to find a wireless charging pad that works with your specific device. 4. Durability. Since there are no connectors or cables involved, the wear and tear on your charging port are reduced. This can help prolong the overall lifespan of your device. 5. Safety. Wireless charging pads are designed with safety features to prevent overcharging and overheating. They also eliminate the risk of electric shock from exposed charging ports or faulty cables. Factors to consider when choosing a wireless charging pad. 1. Charging speed. The charging speed of wireless charging pads can vary. Some pads offer faster charging capabilities than others. Before purchasing a charging pad, check the maximum charging speed it supports and ensure it is compatible with your device's charging requirements. 2. Compatibility. Make sure the wireless charging pad you choose is compatible with your device. Most modern smartphones, smartwatches, and other gadgets support wireless charging, but it's still important to double-check. 3. Form factor and design. Consider the size and design of the charging pad to ensure it fits well with your workspace or personal preferences. Some charging pads are sleek and compact, while others are more bulky and may offer additional features like phone stands or multiple charging coils. 4. Qi certification. Look for wireless charging pads that are Qi certified. Qi is the most widely adopted standard for wireless charging, ensuring compatibility and safety. 5. Price. Like any technology, the price of wireless charging pads can vary. Set a budget and look for options within your price range, considering both quality and functionality. Wireless charging pads have revolutionized the way we charge our electronic devices. With their convenience, clutter-free design, and universal compatibility, they offer numerous advantages over traditional charging methods. The technology behind wireless charging pads, known as electromagnetic induction, enables the transfer of energy between the charging pad and the device being charged. One of the main benefits of wireless charging pads is their convenience. Gone are the days of searching for charging cables or struggling to plug them into our devices. With a wireless charging pad, all you have to do is place your device on the pad, and it will start charging automatically. This hassle-free experience is especially valuable in our increasingly fast-paced and mobile world. Another advantage of wireless charging pads is that they eliminate the need for messy cords. With traditional charging methods, we often find ourselves dealing with tangled cables that clutter our workspace. With a wireless charging pad, you can keep your desk clean and organized, enjoying a more streamlined and aesthetically pleasing environment. Furthermore, wireless charging technology is becoming more standardized, leading to better compatibility across devices. Many modern smartphones, smartwatches, and other gadgets come with built-in wireless charging capability. This means that finding a wireless charging pad that works with your specific device is now easier than ever. Universal compatibility is a great convenience and ensures that you won't have to purchase multiple charging cables for different devices. Wireless charging pads also offer durability benefits. Since there are no cables or connectors involved, the wear and tear on your device's charging port are significantly reduced. This reduction in physical stress can help prolong the overall lifespan of your device, saving you money in the long run. Safety is another crucial aspect of wireless charging pads. Manufacturers design these pads with safety features to prevent issues such as overcharging and overheating. Additionally, wireless charging eliminates the risk of electric shocks that can occur with exposed charging ports or faulty cables.